Hello guys, I'm back again. This will be our second session on CSS today. So today we are going to study about CSS positioning and some other stuffs in HTML. So let's see. So this is the markup page that we have to create this banner and text it and leave it. So this is our markup page. Actually, this water, food, health, energy, these cards seeing. So these images actually have to be static. However, we scroll the like our web page, but it will remain here only, and this video will also will remain fixed. So let's see what I'm trying to tell you. So actually, this this is the thing. So actually, I was trying to tell you. See, this video is fixed, and we can scroll our page anywhere. As you have seen in many websites, here there are Facebook and Twitter and various other social networking sites things, and even you scroll the website or web page, that links that things remain same here itself. And you have seen like navigation bar also. If you put in CSS positioning, the position tag you put fixed, so it will remain fixed here. It will not scroll as we scroll the web page. Only the remaining part will scroll. That thing will remain in its place. So let's see. You can see here images can overlap on each other also. These images. So these are various files, image files. So this is our HTML file. Let's see. So in the HTML file, you can see this is the header tag. This I've created this header. I should open that also so that I can explain you. So here, I was talking about header. So in the header tag, you can see there is a div tag in this division, and it is containing ID 1, so that we can use this in CSS. Already we have linked our external CSS file. Actually, I prefer external CSS so that to keep the HTML and CSS code separate. So you can put internal CSS as well as you want. So this in this header, I have created this header. You can see 1 in a million URL tries this thing, and inside that there is a navigation bar. You can see this is the navigation bar, home, admission, calendar, student, this thing, and inside that there are unordered list, and the list is first is home.html, that it is transferring to this web page. There is no web page such as home.html. Actually, just I have put some dummy data so that I can use it again. So this home, admissions, calendar, student, this data you can see here, and then there are 3 tags, div tags. I don't know what purpose I made it. I'll see in CSS and I'll tell you. So these you can see this water, food, health, energy. This is also another like 4 div tags with IDs SO1, SO2, SO3, and SO4 respectively, to position these elements in such a way. So there are the div tags. There is an image that we are placing here, and then there is a footer where it is written arise and shine. So here you can see this footer arise and shine. You can put header and footer through header and footer tags in HTML5. So let's move on to CSS, which you guys must be waiting for a long time, because it's a very good thing, this positioning thing in CSS. So you can see here in header I have given background as linear gradient. You can see this thing, this background is linear gradient, and here I have specified these values. This is RGBA values. This is red, green, blue RGBA, and then there is border radius 70 pixel. Actually 70 pixels way less. Otherwise, we give greater values, so these borders will be round, a bit round. So these are all the tags that you already know. So let's switch on to this positioning in CSS. So you can see here I have put the position attribute as relative. So actually there are three types of positioning: relative positioning, fixed positioning, and static. And one more is there, I don't remember. Yeah, absolute. So there are actually four types of positioning: absolute, relative, and this static and fixed. Fixed is actually this kind of thing. This video is fixed positioning. So you can see here in the video tag, I must have placed fixed as the positioning. It's visible. Yeah. Okay, we'll see when we'll come to that. So let's see other parts. So here you can see position is equal to relative. So this image is relative to this, and then this image is also placed relative to this HTML document. So that's why it's written position relative, and then top equal to minus 130 pixel. So that's why it's here, like below the web page. And then there is position absolute. So what is the T2 tag? You'll see here in HTML. D2 ID. So it's here. Actually, this thing is in D2. This water, food, health, and energy, you can see. So let's see. So in D2, yeah. So in D2, you can see I have placed the position absolute. So absolute position is like it's absolute position. It's not relative to the web page. Like it will be here only. Like I have placed absolute position. Like suppose 130 pixel from left and then 50 pixel from top. So it will be the absolute position. Like it will be always at this position only. Actually, if we don't give position attribute or position tag in CSS, so by default it will be static. And these tags, you are much familiar with these tags. So you can see here when I'm giving position is equal to relative. So after that, whatever information I'm giving, like top is equal to minus 80 pixel, left equal to 70 pixel. So this is the information like where the positioning, like how the position should work, where the image file should be kept, what will be its position from top and what will be its position from left. So that was it. Thank you.